Hello friends, today we're gonna unbox BDM Grade 1 English Willow Cricket Bat. I got this bat shipped from factory in Meerut. So we're gonna unbox it and I'm gonna walk you through the process of like preparing this bat to play. So 2 steps: oiling, knocking. Before oiling, how do you round the edges? So I'm gonna walk through the whole process of like making your bat ready for the match. Before that, we're gonna unbox and see what all things BDM provides. So I got this bat BDM Extreme Power Dynamic delivered from the factory in Meerut. So it comes with this nice case. I preferred this case which is enclosed from all the sides over the plastic one because this would retain more moisture while shipping my bat from one place to another place or during my match day, and also while travel from India to US where I got this bat. The other thing also is retaining the moisture. You would want to always keep your bat outside the cover rather than keeping it inside because you don't want the outside temperature and the inside bat temperature to have differences. So just to retain the moisture level. So I took off this laminated cover which BDM bats come with, and it does come with this cover, protective cover to just keep your bat safe from the stretches and all the stuff. So this bat, as you can see, it comes with this logo here or a authenticity trademark sticker just to prove that it's an original BDM bat, and also it comes with this BDM tagline showing that it has won national award from Government of India for creating these bats. Pretty nice willow, pretty heavyweight bat, lightweight bat I would say, short handle. I have double gripped it, so I have two grips one on each other. As you can see, it has got like one Z here, BDM bat. Nice finishing. These are the new updated stickers. You can see it's pretty classy, and then it's Dynamic Power Xtreme Special Edition. On the back also, they have got new upgraded stickers just to prove it's a better brand. This comes with like round handle and cane stick at the bottom. So I prefer like this bat to be double or maybe even triple grip to just balance it out because it's more bottom heavy. I won't go in the specifications of like how the edges are and all this stuff. But step one, you can see here how many straight uniform grains. So that's what grade 1 bats are made up of. It also comes with this toe guard. You can see here straight edges. So how do you determine the bat is of grade 1, top-notch quality compared to lower grades? So straight uniform grains, you can see here how many grains it has, a 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And there is also like another grain here on the side. I don't know if you can see clearly, but this is another grain on the side here. But pretty straight, uniformly distributed grains. And those grains, if you turn around the bat, you can still see those grains are uniform here. Brightening from here. So this is like some scratch while shipping the bat. I got it like this is like the dynamic whatever they have encoded this and filled some color, so that's the color here. But you can see here where the bat ends the grains, it is all throughout the back, and even they are uniform on the back, this edges. So no blemishes. Grade 1 bats don't have anything here on the sweet spot. They are pretty neat, clean for long hitting. And yeah, pretty good balance how I hold it. Nice balance, nice weight transfer. Another tip I would like to give whenever you are thinking of like you want a bat and what kind of weight you want to buy a bat of, like it can be medium, lightweight or like heavyweight. So try to keep your bat, hold it in, if you're a right-handed batsman, hold it in a left hand and hold it perpendicular to your body, like straight, like your shoulder straight, and try to hold it for a minute. That is the exact right weight bat you want, because if you want to play like not just tries, but you want to pull hooks, so it should be pretty much well balanced and you should be able to like drive the bat, because heavyweight bats what they'll do is like they'll have a weight distribution properly, but when you're hitting those drives, you won't be able to hit pull and knocks like Rohit Sharma does, like quick ones. Pulling is his favorite shot, so yeah, you want to make sure your bat is evenly balanced. And it also has like this copyright logo here. I forgot, like, I'll just cover that part another here. This copyright registered number, pretty neat and clean. Apart from this bat, they also gave me the knocking oil and a sponge here to, like, oil the bat. I'll walk through all those steps or create another video on how to knock your bat, oil your bat, and make it ready for the match.